YouTube. I'm Gifted Barber, aka GB. In today's video, I will be breaking down rules on how to enter 1K giveaway. Before we get into that, I want to give a huge shout out to my Fluffy Puffs. As you guys seen in the intro, blessed with a whole new setup. I can't even explain the feeling I feel now recording these videos while I'm cutting hair. I mean, the lighting, the cameras, everything just feels so better now that I got everything set up the way I want it. You guys gonna definitely see a lot more content. Stay tuned. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. We finally hit 1K. 1K, so let's go. Quick shout out to my girl RG3, you know what I'm saying? I got a big boy pack going out to the winner. Yes, one of you are gonna be winning what's in this pack. 2 Rag Dealer do-rags. We got a Space Jam and we got a limited edition 2-tone red and blue silky. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick what we working with. You know what I'm saying? We got some Rag Dealer rags. We got some My Fluffy Puff product. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me for real. I gotta give you guys some from the bottom of my heart. So I even threw in some oil. I gave you guys some wave slime. We got some smoke clay wash. I mean, this is a whole starter kit for somebody that wanna start waving or that's ready to put in some work. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? So we're gonna go with a whole new, brand new wave slime. We're gonna give away a good smoke clay wash from My Fluffy Puffs. And we also, I gotta get you right. You feel me? I gotta get you right. So we're gonna throw in a Regal 9. These are top-notch quality products, you know what I'm saying? It's the least I could do, giving back to the people that support. Appreciate all of that. One of you guys in this video that's watching this wins this big boy pack. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to enter the giveaway. Basically 3 rules to enter this giveaway. So the first rule is gonna be like this video, give it a thumbs up. Second rule is make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel right here, right now. Third, last but not least, pick a number 1 through 1,000. I hope you choose the correct number, because one lucky winner will be receiving everything that's in this pack. Alright guys, so I don't want to take up too much more of your time. I just want to come here and let y'all know I will be choosing the winner in 72 hours. So make sure you enter the giveaway to win the big pack. It's free. I'm paying for everything. Shipping on everything is on me. So make sure you enter that. And I also got one thing in the mail I was challenged to do. I think next video is gonna be real spicy, if you know what I mean. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm about to attempt. We're gonna attempt this 1 chip challenge. I don't know if I'm really gonna do it. Nah, I'm gonna pull it off. We're gonna pull it off. So we're gonna do this 1 chip challenge. We're gonna make sure I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna give y'all, I might go live somewhere. I wanted to try it. I wanna see if it's really that. So I'm about to take it inside. Big shout out to My Fluffy Puff hoodie. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely gonna be one of many giveaways that I got going on my YouTube channel. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Keep being active on my channel. Keep leaving comments. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, gifted_barber. I will be going live on IG eating one of these hot chips. Wait. I can't leave without no wave check. Wait, chat, what we doing? What we doing? Let me see if I can get y'all some light.